There was a wide-mouthed frog that lived in the reeds by a pool in a swamp. One day the wide-mouthed frog was feeling bored. He left the pool and hopped off to talk to other animals about his favorite thing, food. The first animal that the wide-mouthed frog met had a long striped tail and was grooming himself on a tree. "Ribbit, what are you and what do you eat?" croaked the wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a ring-tailed lemur. I eat flowers and leaves," replied the ring-tailed lemur. "Well, I'm a wide-mouthed frog," croaked the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." Hopping further up the tree, the wide-mouthed frog met a bird with a huge yellow beak. "Ribbit, what are you and what do you eat?" croaked the wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a toucan and I eat fruit," replied the toucan. "Well, I'm a wide-mouthed frog," croaked the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." Hopping down from the tree, the wide-mouthed frog stumbled across the animal with sharp claws and a thick body armor that was resting on a nest. "Ribbit, what are you?" croaked the wide-mouthed frog, "and what do you eat?" "I'm an armadillo, and I eat bugs and ants," replied the armadillo. "Well, I'm a wide-mouthed frog," croaked the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." Hopping along, the wide-mouthed frog soon reached a large, grassy plain. While resting on a rock, he saw an animal with two long horns grazing on the short grass. "Ribbit, what are you, and what do you eat?" croaked the wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a gazelle, and I eat grass," replied the gazelle. "Well, I'm a wide-mouthed frog," croaked the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." The wide-mouthed frog hopped until he reached a river. Diving down into the cool water, he was startled to meet a large fish with a flat head and a very big mouth. "Ribbit, what are you and what do you eat?" croaked the wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a catfish. I eat fish," replied the catfish. "Well, I'm a wide-mouthed frog and I eat flies." Swimming on the side of the river, the wide-mouthed frog found himself face to face with a long, green creature with enormous jaws and lots of teeth. "Ribbit, what are you and what do you eat?" croaked the wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a crocodile and I eat wide-mouthed frogs," snapped the crocodile hungrily. "Oh, well, I'm just a small-mouthed frog," peeped the wide-mouthed frog, making his mouth as small as possible. Then he quickly hopped away from the river and returned to his safe little pond in the swamp. The end.